Hey, fig it up, fig it up. Hey, not gonna lie though, but my fenders look sick as fuck, and the car looks fucked, and I need to buy a new lip because my shit's fucked up. Hey, but welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be installing a new Y-pipe on my Z. Mine currently is an AP resonated Y-pipe, but the reason why I'm changing is because I'm not trying. I just want everything like flow out. And yeah, I had it for like a year or two, and I don't really like it no more. Cause like another reason why I don't like it is because with these like around 3,000 RPMs, I don't know if like DEs do it, but I know for sure HRs do it. When you're around 3,000 RPMs, it tends to do like this kind of backfire around 3,000, and with the AP resonated Y-pipe, it completely eliminated that shit. So that's the reason why I'm trying to get rid of it. So if any of you guys are interested in buying a Y-pipe, I'm gonna show you guys in the bin the conditions. I just need to take it off. But yeah, let's get to it. I have this ISR Y-pipe that I bought for like $220 off of Injuku Racing. Shout out to them. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install that today. And so if you guys are interested in buying my Y-pipe, it's new. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys right now my Y-pipe in the condition. So if you guys are interested in buying it, let me know. Hit my DMs at slow_z and follow me there. But yeah. Oh, focus, motherfucker. All right, that's the old one. New, old, new, old, new. And here are the conditions of the AP. It's fucking dirty. AGC Power Y-pipe. For those that don't know, these are discontinued. So yeah. Light scratch, light scratch, and fixable. So if you guys are interested in buying this, I don't have a price rate right now, but hit me up and we'll talk, and I'll let it go for cheap. I bought it for like 300, so because these are discontinued. So yeah, let me know if you guys are interested. But now let's get to install this one. Yeah, trying to go for that loud Z, Okay guys, so step number one is apply the gaskets they provide for you guys. All around, that one, and the one back here. You apply it, and then you put this bitch on and you screw on the bolts. Simple, easy. Anybody could fucking do it unless you're for a retard, but easy work right here. And I am gonna be replacing my cats. For those that didn't know, I did put back my OEM cats because I had to pass smog, and I'm getting tired of these motherfuckers. I want my test pipes again, and I might do that later, but I'm not gonna film it because it's simple and it takes a long time, like 2 hours, 3 hours, depends. God damn, it's fucking hot. But I don't know about you guys, but when I say that it's gonna be fucking easy, that's when that shit gets complicated. When I say it's gonna take an hour, it's gonna take like fucking 4 hours, and I hate it. So with my test pipes, I am gonna put them back probably today, later tonight. But hopefully everything goes right, no problems, nothing. But yeah, hopefully. I hate when that shit fucking happens. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a time lapse of me putting on the Y-pipe. So yeah, enjoy it. Alright guys, so I'm all done. I had to put some BB blaster on the fucking nuts because it was like kind of rusted and shit, so it didn't want to go in, so I had to put some BB blaster. But it's all done though. It's simple, easy. Now let's go ahead and test it out and see how it sounds. And yeah, hopefully it sounds good. Hopefully I still have that pop, but it's gonna be more if I remove these motherfuckers off, and it's gonna be way better. Fuck yeah. All right, so before I put it down, gotta make sure there's not any leaks, you know what I'm saying? Hey. I feel good about myself when my car is clean and inside and outside. I feel good about myself. Okay, sounds a little deeper. Fuck myself. Yeah guys, so there's no leaks, everything's good, ready to go. I'm about to go to the gym right now, and we're gonna go ahead and do some pulls over there on our way to the gym. Okay, and all this all fucked up. Hopefully I don't get pulled over, but about to go do some pulls, see how it sounds for you guys, and yeah. Copyright as fuck, but my first impression of the new Y-pipe on it sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. I just need to do a pull and get rid of these fucking cats, man. I hate these motherfucking cats. I'm not dark as shit. Peep that view though. I fucking love where I live, man. Lucky as a motherfucker. Sounds fucking sick. I'm about to go to fucking gym right now, but one of you guys suggested me to try this one, and this is my first time trying it. Damn, this shit lit as fuck. Hey, shout out to that one person that told me to try this one. This is that rainbow unicorn. She's lit. So like the overview of the Y-pipe, I like it. I've been driving it all day, and it gave it like kind of like a deeper growl to it. But I know once I remove my cats and go back to test drive, it's gonna sound way better. But right now it sounds like eh. Cause it used to be fucking loud, and now it's kind of quiet. But I'm going back to my test drives. Probably tonight I'm gonna do it. Stay up late. Cause it's simple, but it takes a while. But yeah, shout out to the homie that recommended this one. Fucking good. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure it gives you a thumbs up. Like the video. I already said that shit. Subscribe, comment, and